Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mazda6 Signature. This comes in a white exterior, with a chocolate brown interior. Sunroof. Rear seats. Trunk. Driver door controls. Memory seats, driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Push button ignition. Mileage in this vehicle is 31,284. You have our radio system, navigation, and backup camera. Climate controls, center console, and shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.